Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. D and today I want to bring you guys this drawing that I've done of a hand. My idea in here with this project was to one, get better at digital drawing and the things that I can do using a tablet instead of a pencil. And my second was to translate the idea of light and shadow on a digital platform. It is a skill that I'm still learning. It is a skill that it does not come naturally to me, and I'm having a lot of fun learning how to use this tool for the drawings that I've been working on, for the works I've been doing lately. This drawing took me about 4 hours, I think. I would create a sketch and start some shading, then I'll work a little bit and I'll take a break and I come back to it until I completed the project. As you can see in here, you can notice that I'm working sections of the drawing instead of just going crazy with it. I'm still learning how digital drawing can be done better, but so far the process has been very interesting. I've been having a lot of fun with it, and I'm hoping to be able to share even more interesting and better drawings using a digital platform like drawing on my iPad. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, maybe leave a comment with what you think about it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, and until the next video, have a great weekend. I will see you next time.